everyone, so today I'm doing a very exciting video. In this video, I'm going to be doing my entire face of makeup with my mom's makeup. I saw this video around a week ago on Nikki Tutorials channel and I just thought it was so much fun, and my mom hasn't been in a video for a very long time, so I thought this was the perfect video to have her in. So I'm so excited to do this video, you guys. So I think without further ado, I'll get my mom in here because she's gonna explain the makeup products that I'm gonna be using, and then I'm going to do my face with makeup. So let's call her in. Mom?
Hello?
I just quickly want to introduce you because since you've been on my channel, I've gotten new subscribers who probably don't know you yet. So this is my mom. Say hello.
Hi!
She's been in a couple videos. Sometimes she's just like appears in the video for a little while, and sometimes she's the star of the video. But mom, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup with your makeup.
Okay.
How confident are you in your makeup?
Well, my makeup's a bit better than it used to be.
So do you want to basically just tell like the gist of what you do for your makeup?
Okay, sure. First of all, I don't wear this every day. This would be just for going out. Like, I don't hardly wear any makeup during the week, like when I'm working and stuff, or if I'm just at home. So
okay,
this would be like pretty special to wear all this makeup. I use this little guy.
Okay, this is a Real Techniques Booty Blender.
Yeah, and then I use the CoverGirl Queen Sensitive Skin in medium.
Okay, so this is gonna be a lot darker than my skin is.
This is really nice. It's by Karma Face.
All right.
And it's like concealer. It's one that you gave me.
Okay.
Okay, and then I use it with this brush. The other concealer I sometimes use is in this container. It's by Tarte. And then I use the brown one sometimes to, I don't know, just
contour?
Well,
is this what you set your face with?
No, I don't use anything to set my face.
You don't set your face?
I don't. I don't like powder on my face.
So this is your contour. This is a good color.
No, I don't use it for contour. I just use it like, I put it like on my forehead, I put it like on my nose, I put it like even on my eyelids.
Is this bronzer? What is this?
I just use it, like I put it like pretty much everywhere.
I powder, but you don't set your face.
Highlight. It'll be in this. It's like almost gone, and I've never hardly run out of anything before. So, and then this is the one
she just got this
after Christmas because it was on sale at Sephora, and so and then I just like put a little bit just here and there. Okay, I just started doing brows, so I'm not really that good at it, but I'll show you what I did. It's by Essence. And then there's like
2 colors.
Yeah, and then I just got this pencil though too.
Yes, that was a suggestion. That's the NYX micro pencil.
Yeah, and so I haven't really used it that much, but I brought it for you to try.
This is like a dupe for Gimme Brow. It's from Essence. It's like $3.
Yeah, I really like it, but you have to be.
I'm excited to use that.
You have to be a little careful because if you touch it on your skin, you'll get a mark there.
Thanks. I'll be careful with that.
Be so careful, Mia. But you just like, you click the button, go like that, and then I just like kind of go all over my face, just kind of like, and then I don't wear anything else.
Yeah, you're so naturally beautiful.
Yeah.
Some of us need makeup, Mom.
No.
We were in Vegas and I really wanted something from Inglot, and we went and it was pretty expensive, and she ended up getting more than I did. And she didn't care.
Yeah, try the button. These are these little pods of powder, and I was just in a real craze.
Yeah, like my fondest memory of like 10 years old with these.
And they kind of got me hooked on them, and I bought them, and then I hardly really used them.
Yeah, they're still like full.
Yeah. And for mascara, I really like this L'Oreal, the telescopic.
Oh
the
yeah.
wand is really thin.
That's nice.
Yeah, and then this one I had got at Costco. The wand is really big, and I usually end up getting it all over. So
right.
I have just this one lip liner. That's almost.
There's still some in it.
It's by Clinique.
Okay.
It's like I've had it for a long time. I really like pink, and then so.
Oh yeah, eraser. Honestly,
Yeah.
like you got some good stuff here. I think I can do a good look.
I'm excited too.
I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my makeup off and then do my makeup, and then I'll invite you back for the reveal.
Okay, sounds good. Look forward to it.
Okay, so let's switch to then. Okay, so I am back with no makeup on my face, and now I'm gonna start doing my makeup with my mom's makeup. I'm also gonna use her brushes and everything. So I'm gonna pull up my sleeves. I don't think this is gonna be too difficult, but it is gonna be a change, so we will see. Yeah, this is probably the only time on my channel you will ever hear me using a medium shade foundation. I will never get to do that again. I wish my skin was a little bit darker, but no. This doesn't have a pump, so I'll just use my fingies. My lips are really dry. Sorry if they look nasty. And I think I better blend this down my neck a bit, just because I can already tell it's gonna be the wrong shade. I'm gonna grab her beauty blender, which by the way, I just wet and a lot of foundation came out of it. So I think when she wets her beauty blender, she doesn't like wring it out. So I'll have to enlighten her on that one. Yeah, it's not a perfect match, but it's not even too bad. I really appreciate right now like the more oily finishes, just because my skin has been so dry in the winter time. It's been insane. So I really I'm liking this foundation. Like, it's making my skin look really like healthy. But that's another thing. My forehead looks like a grease pan, and she doesn't use setting powder. My mom is kind of blessed with having just like great skin, great smile, great eyes, everything. So okay, so here is the base. That's not even too bad. Like, it's not a perfect match, but like I think I can get away with this. She's running out of this, but I did just get her the Maybelline concealer because I bought it in the wrong shade, so I had to go back and get a different one, so I thought she could use that. Whenever I run out of like a makeup product, my mom's always like, what? How did you run out of that? And I'm like, I don't know, Mom, I use it every day. And she has like never ran out of a product before. Like, this is like the closest she comes to running out of things. This is a very dark concealer. Oh, this is the wrong color. I mean, on her face it works because she's darker than me, but on my face it just embellishes the color change. With my mom's color, I feel like I look really like sun-kissed, whereas usually I look kind of like a vampire. So this is actually a really nice change. Since my mom has a cream highlight, I'm gonna use this one just because it's really pretty. So I guess I'm just going to take it on my finger and just, that's so pretty. I like to think of my mom's makeup as like a no makeup look. Like, it's just enhancing her natural beauty. I don't really know what she's talking about with this, but I'm gonna try putting it where a contour would usually go because my mom loves bronzing. I remember the first time I watched my mom do her makeup, the last step was just taking a bronzer and being like, oh, my mom's brushes smell so good. They smell like her perfume. That's creepy, but on top of that bronzer, I'm gonna put this just because I've always wanted to play with this. So this is this Eminence like thing that my mom was talking about. What's happening? Oh my gosh, I look so full of sun. Hi. I never wear blush. I probably haven't worn blush in like 4 years, so this is going to be exciting. The reason why I don't usually wear blush just because I have a little bit of rosacea. So whenever I wear blush, it just embellishes the redness that naturally pokes through. So this is in the shade Blonde. Usually I would use like taupe or something. My mom clearly has lighter hair and eyebrows than me, so makes sense that hers would be a little lighter, but we'll see what we can do with it. If any of you guys are looking for a eyebrow pencil that's not too expensive, this NYX one is amazing. I've used it in my shade before. I'm going to go into her little Tartelette palette, and I'm gonna use this really dark brown and try and build up these brows. Okay, so that is as good as it's gonna get for the brows, I think. I'm just struggling a bit with getting the powder dark enough, but you know what? That's where we're gonna leave it off. So I had to go into this, but no big deal. I'm sorry, Mom, is this the only brush you have for eyeshadow? I know you're lying. I've seen your brush set. I'm gonna go into the Tartelette palette and use the shade Super Mom just because that's kind of fitting right now. And I'm gonna put it all over my eye. Someone really just wants to have like a few eyeshadow brushes. I would say just like a flat shader brush and a blending brush is all you need, but I do think a blending brush is really necessary. I am going to break into these Mica Bella powders just because these were like everything I wanted when I was younger. So I'm gonna take the shade 27 strip tease. Okay, Mom. I'm just gonna put it like on the center of my eye kind of thing. Oh my word, are you guys seeing this? Literally so pigmented, what? Yes, I have eyelash extensions, but I've given up on them right now. I'll get them again in the summer, but for now I'm letting them fall out, so I don't mind putting on mascara. So I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Telescopic, because this is my mom's all-time favorite. It gives like such good length. Okay, so now the eye's done, the face is done. All we need to do is the lips. So I'm gonna take this Lime Crime lipstick in the shade Eraser. This is not gonna be good for my lips right now because they are so dry. I'm gonna have to put a lip gloss on, like my lips are so dry. Here it is. Okay, Mom, I see you. Okay, here is my finished makeup look using my mom's makeup. Honestly, I don't really feel like I look like myself. I think I will call her back in here and see what she thinks of it. Okay, are you ready?
It looks like me. It looks like my makeup. How I would want to put it on.
I look like a puppet. Thank you, Mom, for letting me use your makeup in this video.
You're welcome.
I do not know how you put up with this lip gloss.
Really? Like, which one did you use?
The Sigma one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, very sticky.
It's very sticky.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see my mom in more videos, just comment down below what you want to see. And be sure to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!